Take a card, any card. All right, I'll take one for you. All right, now, look at it. All right, I'll look at it for you. Now, don't tell me what it is!
I don't want to play cards.
What do you want to do, shoot craps?
I was thinking about shooting myself.
Kid, look. I know killing yourself sometimes seems like a good idea, but trust me, it never works out.
Give me one good reason to live.
Blueberry pie.
A week ago, I was getting fitted for my first Brooks Brothers shoot. Look where I am now.
Kid, this place ain't so bad. You ever been to that jail in Cicero? I'm not talking about the old jail. I mean,
My girls get married to another guy. You see her.
you know what your problem is? You ain't got no philosophy. Well, life has taught me to think positive. It's like John Dillinger once told me. It's always darkest, just before they turn on the lights. There's an old Australian bush song that Melba used to sing. A song that always cheered me when I was blue. Even Melba said this bush song was a hell of a song to sing. So be quiet whilst I render it for you. When your instinct tells you that disaster is approaching you faster and faster, just be like the bluebird and sing tweet, tweet, tra-la, tra-la, tra-la. When you know you're headed for the jailer, don't allow this old face to look paler, but be like the bluebird and sing tweet, tweet, tra-la, tra-la, tra-la. Be like the bluebird who never is blue, for he knows from his upbringing what singing can do. And though my other birdies in the boughs he may be told that his efforts are perfectly lousy, he sings on and on till his troubles are through. Tweet, tweet, tra-la,